make corn chowder. For that, my grandma gathered fresh vegetables from the garden. I chopped the potatoes, carrot, onion, and parsley. I melted the butter.
Catch me if you can! We're right behind you! This is so much fun! To the cottage!
Then I added a medium-sized onion and the garlic. Mix it well until it turns out into light brown color. Then I added potatoes, carrot, corns, and zucchini. Then I poured in milk and cream, turning the soup rich and soft, just the way they like it. Then I finish it with fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, and rosemary. Our fresh, yummy corn chowder is ready. So serve it with fresh bread or anything you like.
Delicious.
So warm and comforting.
Perfect for a night like this.
More besties!
For more recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel.